Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw, good afternoon from here in the Philippines, and to all the races and the cultures and traditions, with all due respect around the world, good afternoon from here in the Philippines. I am here today that I am not an expert to be with you, but I am here to reiterate some of those informations that I received and being read for those books and for asking some of the expert out there, mga kaibigan. But for me and myself, I am not an expert to be with you, with us, mga kaibigan, but I am here because of my I am one of those facilitator of this Facebook page, YouTube channel, and our Facebook page and TikTok here, Instagram, and Silibi, mga kaibigan, that I would like to see to all of you, mga kaibigan, that there is an informations, or there is a lot of goods to be with us here in the country, here in the Philippines. You know, Philippines, mga kaibigan, is the large producer of the nurses around the world. And also, out of that, mga kaibigan, Philippines is also, there is a lot of deposits, minerals, and etc., which is called the largest producer of the fruits in the whole world, mga kaibigan, is only from here in the Philippines. So that's why Philippines is the most biggest countries, even they are very small among us, mga kaibigan. Because Philippines alone, if there is no corruptions would happen through our politicians here, mga kaibigan, that I would like to see earlier, that I being told you earlier, mga kaibigan, that the Philippines is all richest among us. The minerals here, mga kaibigan, there is a lot, and also we are the largest producer of the metal minerals, the ores, and many others, mga kaibigan. And also the largest producer of the laborers around the world, mga kaibigan. Because Philippines is consisting for the good and the hospitality. That is the nature, and it is the heart of the Philippines, mga kaibigan. They are going to be work with heart, and they are protecting and avoiding in any of us in the committing in any bad things in life, mga kaibigan. But some other countries are abusive to our OFW from here in the country. So Philippines, it's the most considered the largest producer of the nurses, doctors, laborers, OFWs, and the largest producer of the fruits around the world, the largest producer of the metals, even the gold. Because Davao de Oro alone, mga kaibigan, there is a gold deposits among 187 billion the mineral gold deposits in Davao de Oro alone, mga kaibigan. So the Philippines is belongs to the archipelagic nations around the world, and consisting for almost 7,000 plus islands here in the country. So that's why we called a archipelagic nations. Even Haring Solomon, mga kaibigan, the biggest or the greatest or the largest miners in the history is only Haring Solomon. You know, Haring Solomon, where they going to mine and dig for the gold is from here in the Ophir, because Philippines is come from the Spaniard terms, which is King Philip, mga kaibigan, which is the rulers or the king itself before. So that's why Philippines is the most abusive, no? It is called the most colonized countries in Asia, mga kaibigan. But the Philippines can stand alone. And mind you, Philippines in the near future will be the great countries, will be the great country among all in Asia. Because Philippines is the most powerful, the most richest, and the most progressive before. But because of the corruptions in the government here in the Philippines, and then the country will be down their economic or the progressive, mga kaibigan, because Philippines before is the first developed countries in Asia. So that's why, mga kaibigan, we need to understand the history of our country. That I am here, that I would not like to those abuser in my country, especially the white, those who came the country, those came to the island of the Philippines in order to colonize and control all of this. And even now, there is an independent, we receive the country of the Philippines, but they are always be controlled by the United States of America. How come? Where is the democracy and the independence of the country? Because another countries were controlling here by the politics. They are funded by the politics and they are funded by the oligarchs in order to man, which is all the elites and the oligarchs who are abusive here in the country. So that's why you understand right now.